Today, we embark on an exploration of remarkable household gadgets that are poised to redefine the way we live, work, and interact within our domestic spaces. These innovations, born from the marriage of creativity and cutting-edge engineering, promise to elevate our daily routines to new heights of efficiency, comfort, and joy. Our journey commences with a game-changing advancement in kitchen technology. The smart kitchen of today is no longer a distant dream, but a vibrant reality. Imagine a refrigerator that not only keeps your food fresh but also scans its contents and suggests recipes based on what's available. This same intuitive intelligence extends to cooking appliances, where smart ovens adjust temperature and cooking times with uncanny precision, ensuring your culinary creations emerge flawlessly every time. But the smart kitchen is just the beginning. As we venture into the heart of your home, we encounter an array of intelligent home assistants. These devices, infused with artificial intelligence, AI, and natural language processing, act as your virtual concierge, executing tasks and providing information at your beck and call. Picture a world where your home assistant schedules appointments, orders groceries, and even manages your smart home devices through a simple conversation. As we ascend the stairs, we delve into the realm of automated cleaning marvels. Gone are the days of manual labor. Enter robotic vacuum cleaners that autonomously navigate your floors, leaving them spotless as you go about your day. These tireless helpers adapt to various surfaces, evading obstacles and even returning to their charging docks when their work is done. Likewise, smart mops glide across your floors, effortlessly restoring their gleam and luster. The bedroom transforms into a sanctuary of relaxation and wellness with the aid of innovative sleep technology. Smart mattresses, embedded with sensors, monitor your sleep patterns, adjusting firmness and support in real time for your optimal comfort. Meanwhile, sleep-inducing lights and sounds synchronize with your natural circadian rhythm, lulling you into restful slumber and gently awakening you at the optimal point in your sleep cycle. Stepping into the bathroom, we encounter smart mirrors that do more than just reflect your image. Equipped with touchscreens and integrated AI, these mirrors display relevant information such as weather forecasts, news updates, and your daily schedule. Moreover, they guide you through personalized skincare routines and offer real-time health insights, turning your morning routine into an enlightening experience. Home security takes a leap forward with interconnected smart systems that safeguard your residence like never before. High-definition cameras, motion sensors, and facial recognition technology combine to provide comprehensive surveillance. The AI-driven algorithms differentiate between familiar faces and potential threats, sending alerts to your smartphone and allowing you to remotely monitor and control your home's security from anywhere in the world. Entertainment reaches new heights of immersion and interactivity with cutting-edge audiovisual gadgets. Projectors seamlessly transform your living room into a cinematic haven, displaying content with astonishing clarity and vibrant colors. Meanwhile, interactive walls respond to your touch, allowing you to create art, play games, and immerse yourself in a digital wonderland. Smart furniture revolutionizes the concept of versatility and space optimization. Automated, modular furnishings effortlessly reconfigure themselves to adapt to your needs. A coffee table becomes a dining table, a sofa transforms into a bed, and shelves adjust their layout to accommodate your ever-changing storage requirements. These ingenious pieces of furniture ensure that your living space remains dynamic and functional, regardless of the situation. Home gardening finds a harmonious balance between nature and technology, with smart gardening systems that make nurturing plants a breeze. These systems monitor soil moisture, nutrient levels, and sunlight exposure, providing real-time data and insights to help your plants thrive. Imagine effortlessly growing your own herbs, vegetables, and flowers, all under the guidance of your digital green thumb. Climbing to the rooftop, we unveil the future of sustainable living through renewable energy solutions. Solar panels seamlessly integrate into your home's design, capturing sunlight and converting it into clean, efficient energy. Energy storage systems store excess power for use during cloudy days or nighttime, reducing your reliance on traditional power sources and contributing to a greener future. In conclusion, the household gadgets we have explored today offer a glimpse into a future where technology seamlessly integrates with our daily lives, enriching our experiences and empowering us to focus on what truly matters. These inventions exemplify the incredible potential of human ingenuity and remind us that the boundaries of innovation are ever expanding. As we navigate this transformative era, Let us embrace these remarkable creations with open hearts and open minds, envisioning a world where our homes become not just spaces, but expressions of our aspirations and dreams. Thank you.